国际新闻来关心，美国总统 Trump 初步宣布和英国达成头一个贸易协议。英国要放零进口美国的产品，包括牛扒、乙醇这物件，卖降低对美国的关税。美国这边嘛同意要对英国进口的车当年配额10万只，而且适用10%的对等关税。
伫咧前一天，有国达成重大贸易协议了。美国总统川普初步甲英国首相史凯尔环游通电话，最近宣布达成第一个贸易协议。川普讲，细节正伫咧确定，速度来几礼拜内面就会完成。言语医生讲，英国将会扩大对美国产品的市场准入，包括牛肉、乙醇等产品。
The UK will reduce or eliminate numerous non-tariff barriers that unfairly discriminated against American products, but this is now turning out, I think, really to be a great deal for both countries because it'll be really great for the UK also. So they're opening up the country. Their country is a little closed, and we appreciate that.
川普甲史凯尔拢讲，这是历史性的协议。不过，这份协议依然保留美国对英国进口产品扣10%的关税条款。英国是同意加关税自5.1%降到1.8%，并且提供更加侪美国商品的进口管道。美国商务部长卢特尼克讲，英国将会宣布卖100亿美金的波音客机。 英国为劳斯莱斯飞机引领和波音公司，美国同意引领甲飞机零件免扣关税。史凯尔讲会赶紧实施这款措施。
It will remove tariffs on British steel and aluminium, reducing them to zero. It will provide vital assurances for our life sciences sector, so important to our economy, and grant unprecedented market access for British farmers. Without compromising our high standards.
专家认为，英国会当成做第一个达成协议的国家，主要是因为美国对英国目标是少数顺差的国家。史凯尔政府一直希望英国伫咧脱口了后，甲美国、中国一个欧盟会当建立新的贸易关系，也莫伤偏倒一边。
We're still in a highly uncertain economic situation. While it is beneficial to secure this kind of narrow deal with the US, there's still going to be wider effects of the global economy from US volatility that will affect the UK just like they'll affect many countries.
因为美国甲中国将会伫咧随时日内化针对关税贸易问题进行谈判。贝特森伫咧接受访问时阵讲，将会先互经济降温，才有可能有进展。公司新闻张伟林、吴kỳ昌编写。